Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about and showing you a few products from my website, Twice the Dreams. So excited to share with you some of these awesome earrings that I made. I've been using polymer clay to make some earrings. It's so much fun. It's just fun to mix the colors together and do different shapes and try different things. It's super fun, and I really like it because I can like put my headbands and earrings together, and it's a fun combination to have like a fun earring and a fun headband. So I wanted to show you this super cute little thing of earrings. I wanted to start with these beautiful, let me see if you can see them. Sorry if it's mess. There we go, that's pretty good. So there's these heart ones that I made, and this like light fuchsia, that's the color that I'm calling them, with like a beautiful little pearl heart at the top. This is kind of like for Valentine's Day. Like I made them for the Valentine's Day collection. Ooh, I'm really terrible about putting earrings on with the phone, but here we go. Okay. So I'm sorry, I hope my ears are clean, guys. Don't look at my ears. I'm just kidding. So they are like a pink stripy fuchsia. Let me see if I can show you. So like almost like a hot pink. I really love it. This is exactly the color. You can see it here. This is the perfect representation of the color. I'm not like editing or anything where you can't tell the color. So it's gold hardware on it, and I'm just a huge fan of it. Oh, excuse my liner. Apparently my liner decided to fold up. If you guys have hooded eyes, you know this happens to you, where you try to put liner on and it like goes up into your crease. I thought I had like waited enough time for it, but apparently I didn't. So yeah, there's the beautiful heart and heart. So pretty. I'm just a huge fan of it. I just think it's super fun for Valentine's Day. And just in general, I think it would be really cute if you can find something with this pink in it. Let me show you what I've got going on. So there's this beautiful pink leopard headbands. I just love this look with the pink and the pink earrings. And you can totally wear it with different, let me see, with different, you can wear this look with like different tops and bottoms. It doesn't have to be pink. Like I'm just wearing black right now, black and jeans, and I feel like it like spices up like an everyday look. I think it looks super stinking cute. This headband is the adult version. It's made out of neoprene, which is kind of like a stretchy, kind of bouncy material. I don't know if you can tell, but I make my headbands super comfortable because before I started making headbands, every time I would wear a headband, I would get like a pressure headache here. So I hunted for really good headbands to go inside to make sure that they're super flexible, so you can do something like this and make it so that if you're starting to get pressure, you can stretch it out a little bit, and so that you won't get a headache from it. I also wear glasses sometimes, so I like to stretch it out a little bit. Brighton, stop. Sorry. So I like to stretch it out a little bit when I wear the glasses so that they're both not putting pressure at the same time. So yeah, they're super, super flexible. Both the kids and the adults are flexible like this, so that you can do this and then it'll get a little bit stretchier. And then if you want to make it a little bit tighter, you just go like that and like pull it in a little bit. So there we go, perfect. So everything that I'm talking about today is going to be linked on my website. It's twicethedreams.com. Oh my God, these dogs, you guys. Anyway, I'm a huge fan of this pink leopard. Super, super cute. I have a very limited number of these, so if you're interested in this, I would grab them soon because I think that these might sell out because they're so cute. Again, the same thing, I'm not making like a ton of these, so And also, like, I don't know about if you guys have heard about this, but like there's kind of a clay, polymer clay shortage. And in general, there's a ton of shortages because of, you know, the whole like COVID thing and people not being able to work too much. So because of that, like certain things are not like coming into the US. So most of these things I've actually gotten all within the US. So when I like purchase things, I'm trying to find things that are only US sellers, so that I'm supporting US businesses, but I'm also like cutting down on the ship time so that like these little earring findings came from the US so that I can get them quicker so that I can like refill things. But like certain things like this fabric, the fabric store only makes a certain limited number of them. So once they stop making the fabric, that's it. You know, there's no more. So yeah, I bought some of this fabric, and then once I sell out of it, that'll be the end of it. Anyway, huge fan. Let me see what's next. I wanted to share these cute little blue ones. They're like a teardrop flower, and like a shimmery blue color that I mixed together. So pretty. Sorry about the puppies, guys. They like to bark. So blue is like blue and pink, I think, are my favorite colors. And white, I guess those are my favorite. Blue, pink, and white. So these are like silver jump rings on there. So these earrings are super lightweight. Brayden! Sorry. Brayden! Hang on one second, I'm gonna try to get them inside. Let's go. Sorry about that. The puppies are just do whatever they want. So yeah, I wanted to share with you these super cute teardrop flower earrings. So pretty. They kind of have like a shimmer to them. And with the polymer clay, because it's basically like a lightweight plastic, they're not super heavy, which I really like. So you can get like a statement look without really weighing down your ears. That's part of the reason why I wanted to start making them. And let me share with you this super cute headband from, this print is from Liberty London. It's so cute. This is actually the kids version, which is a little bit smaller than the adult version, but I just sold the adult version of it. I think I might have one left. It's upstairs though. But yeah, so stinking cute with these little, they have little strawberries in there for you. I think it's a strawberry. But I love Liberty London, like their cute, super cute little flower prints that they make. So adorable. I don't know if you guys saw Cruella, but they had in Cruella, they actually had the Liberty London store, which I'm dying to go to. Like as soon as I can travel to Europe again, I'm totally hitting up the store. But I feel like this blue would look really cute with this blue here, and I definitely love this vibe. It feels like very vintage. Also, this comes in mommy and me, so you can get adults and kids. And then the kids probably go, I would say, probably up to 8, that the kids can wear them, very stretchy again. And then babies that have, once their like heads are formed, they can wear them as well. But while their skull is still developing, I wouldn't say you should wear the headband. So this is like, once they're developed, then they can start wearing like this is hard, but it's kind of like on the softer side, you know, and very flexible, but I still would avoid like super babyish. So with the kids and adults, I really try to avoid using glue. I do use a tiny bit of glue on like the side to close the seam, but instead of putting it like right directly on the edge, I kind of put it a little bit higher up here so that if for whatever reason, you know, the kids end up putting the headbands in their mouth, like on, and I figure on the edges is what I would always think that so rather than having the glue on the edge, there's only like thread and cotton here. So this way, if they put it in their mouth, they're not getting glue in their mouth. You know, it's higher up. Also, I have actually washed these, not like in the washing machine, but hand washed them because I like dirtied one of them with my makeup at one point. So I hand washed it. I used like Dawn or like a, what is it? I forget what method is the one we use. It's like Dawn for the dish soaps. I just used it on the little stain, and I used my like fingernail and just cleaned it out and washed the whole thing, and it was fine, and which is great, especially if you have like kids or if you're wearing makeup with it, which we all do. It's very nice to know that you're able to wash them. It's pretty cool. Let me move on to the next try on. So we've got these. I also have those in white. I wanted to show you here. Like, can I tap it? Yeah, there we go. Sorry. Okay, and then I have these pink ones in like pink shimmery ones that are similar to the first ones. And then these, oh, that's so funny. I grabbed one silver, one gold. For these, I'm calling them the Beccas. And you can either get silver or gold hardware on it. Let me see. Super lightweight. Again, you can, and they can be super long without the weight of a normally heavy, super long, heavy earring. So you're not like stretching out your earlobes. So there we go. Yeah, it's silver and we got golds, whatever your preference is. I'm looking into trying to find some rose gold too. I'll let you know once I find them. Let me see, what do we want to wear next? Here we go. Oh no, that one doesn't have a bow. Ah. We'll do this one. Here we go. So this is another Liberty London print. Super, super cute and kind of festive for Valentine's Day with like the little heart things. It's like a heart flowers almost. Let me see. And it's kind of like a muted cream white color. It's not exactly white. It's kind of like a muted white. So pretty, and it's just, I really love that look. I feel like you could wear it for Valentine's Day and you can wear it beyond Valentine's Day, which is pretty cool. So yeah, this is the adult version of the headbands with the bow on it. Let me show you like the difference in, so this one's a little bit thinner and that one's a little bit thicker, and then the actual size itself is smaller. It's like a few inches, about an inch smaller, but it's also thinner. Both super flexible and super comfortable. So yeah, I feel like the kid version you could do till probably 8, because my daughter's 8 and she's like right on the cusp where she can wear both the adult and the kids, but she prefers the adult version. Okay, super cute, like little texture to them and fun little colors that I mixed together. I really love these, and I'm gonna be doing more with different colors. Again, I have to tell you guys that my favorite color is blue and pink. So I'm gonna be doing some blues and pinks. If you guys have requests for colors, please let me know. These are super cute little stud earrings that make a statement, but are super lightweight, and I love them. They're just kind of it's a little bit of a flower that's like abstract flower, but I just think it's so cute. I'm not usually a stud person, so I was super happy to find this little cutter and was happy that I could make something that was this cute as a stud. Let me see what else we've got as far as headbands go. I don't think I have anything else to match this, so I'm just gonna throw on some more cute headbands. This one has like little teapots and teacups on it, from Liberty London, the print is from, and then I made it so cute. And then the bow is movable, where if like you have a part on one side and you want to have it on that side, you can totally change it up. Yeah, definitely a fan of the earrings. They're super textured, and then these I've made in several different colors, including that like hot pink, like a purple, this like light turquoise color, a few other like something like this shimmery blue I think I made also. I'm trying to think. I don't know if I made the white. I need to make the white. But let me know in the comments if there's something that you want me to specifically colors you're looking for. I also want to share this one. This is another neoprene headbands with pink and white leopard. So cute. Ooh, I might put on the other earrings for this. I love the neoprene because they're extra comfortable because the padding is on the inside too. So all of the headbands are super comfortable, but these are extra. And I know some people who have the neoprene headbands think, like other brands of neoprene headbands have asked me whether or not they slip. And for me, I've never had them slip off. So I would say absolutely not. I think they're fine because I know some of the other brands that do the headbands have like that black band on the inside. I'm not a fan of that. I think it's better to have it all together. For me, that gives me the pressure. So for this, I like, look how cute these earrings are. So cute. Again, this is a look that you could totally wear for Valentine's Day, but you could wear like all year because it's adorable. So cute. Again, super stretchy. And then the padding, you know, the fabric goes all around the headband, making it super comfortable. And not having that black headbands where it's putting like pressure on your head. I think that's all I have for today. Actually, do you want to see these ones? I'm gonna show you those real quick. These are so cute. I'm probably gonna be doing these hearts in more colors too, because they're so cute. And I feel like they're, you know, I love them beyond Valentine's Day. You know, I love hearts all year. Here's cute. This one is like a white, let me show you, white granite mix. It kind of has little bits of grit into it, so it's a little bit more than a solid white pair of earrings. There's like a clay called granite, and I really like the look of the mix of the white and the granite together. So cute. Loving these. And then they have like fun texture on them as well. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want some requests, please message me or leave a comment, or, you know, shop for my stuff on twicethedreams.com. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.